confirmed that we will have 3 women serving on the Utah Supreme Court for the first time in our state's history.
A historic pick for the Utah Supreme Court. Governor Spencer Cox named his nominee today.
And it's a choice that will be a critical vote on some major issues facing the state.
Fox 13 News political reporter Ben Winslow has the story from Utah's Capitol Hill.
The governor has nominated Judge Jill Pohlman of the Utah Court of Appeals to serve as the new Supreme Court justice. It comes as some major cases are headed to the court.
I will work tirelessly to serve the people of this great state.
Judge Jill Pohlman's nomination is historic. If she's confirmed, she'll join Justice Paige Peterson and Justice Diana Hagan for a majority-woman court.
I sit here and look at my 2 daughters who get to look up at their mom and get to look at a court and say, gender is not a barrier to getting on the court or to getting in certain positions. And we need women's voices. And I think this is just a confirmation that women should serve and women should express their views.
Acknowledging history, the governor says that's not why he chose her.
Judge Pohlman is the very best.
And I am thrilled about the historic nature of it.
Governor Cox has made his last 2 selections purely based on the merits, qualifications, experience of the individuals he has nominated.
Judge Pohlman will replace retiring Associate Chief Justice Thomas Lee.
Buckle up.
The nomination comes at a critical time for the court.
Over the next 2 years that the Utah Supreme Court will be addressing some very major issues, including our new state abortion law that went into effect on Friday, redistricting, and also the transgender sports issues.
Senator Todd Weiler chairs the Judicial Confirmation Committee. Asked if he plans to bring up these issues, he tells Fox 13 News.
Our state constitution does say there's no partisan test for judges, and so we have to kind of be careful. And most of these judges are kind of coached, and they know if we ask them a question about a case that they think may come before them, they'll usually punt on that. And I think that's appropriate, but we can probe them on judicial philosophy and judicial interpretation and hypotheticals and things like that.
That's just what Judge Pohlman did when asked about the equal rights provision in Utah's Constitution.
That's going to be something that comes before the court. But I will assure you that I do not predetermine cases and that I will think very hard about the cases and the arguments that are made before me, and I will take great care, and I will uphold the law.
Now, a governor nominates, but the Senate confirms. Judge Pohlman will face a series of confirmation hearings starting next month. On the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.